Hello, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty, and today I have something very special for you. I have 3-bedroom and 5-bathroom villa located in the luxurious area of Lagos called Ponta da Piedade. Follow me, let's have a look-see. Welcome inside. This villa is inverted living villa. What it means on this floor, the top floor, when you have access to the terraces and most views, you have your main living area, which is composed of a very nice and cozy, living area, or the space where you're going to spend most of your time. The kitchen that lacks for nothing, and a dining area on my right. Also, this floor has a master suite with a very amazing bathroom. So beside all the amazing things that is inside this villa, which we will talk in a second, the key feature here is the location. The location is truly unique. We are in a very prestigious development called Ponta do Faro, located in Ponta da Piedade, the most luxurious area of Lagos. The coast is right here. The 5-star resort with the golf is on our right, and everything here is absolutely amazing. So now that we covered the main living area, or the top floor, this villa is composed of 3 floors. The ground floor where we get in, and we have 2 guest bedrooms and access to the garage. Also, we have another sub-level where there's a division that you can use as a guest bedroom or a cinema or any leisure area that you can think of. Also, there's a game room and a gym on the ground floor. And here at the top, we have the absolutely amazing views from the top of this villa, the top terrace, where you can sit down in the evening, enjoy your drink or meal or whatever, and just look at the lights of the Algarve. I mean, this is just breathtaking. And as usual, we leave the best for last. Now look at this view. This is a top terrace of this villa. The terrace where you can enjoy evenings, you can have your breakfast. It's just absolutely amazing. And on that note, I would like to thank you for taking this tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And go to our website and inquire now, because this opportunity is not to be missed. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.